Hey, it's me again, Chris from CJ's Organic Gardening and Landscape Design Consultation. We're back for another Sunday update. Let's see what's been going on. Tulips are starting to really bloom. Daffodils are starting to fade. We've got sunflowers and some cilantro and even some sweet peas growing right there. A couple of Roma tomatoes there. A couple more sunflowers, and we have a little patch of marigold started here. A couple of them actually have buds. That's the beauty of starting early in the year. Hopefully the frost doesn't get as much as you planted. Also been working on our potted vegetables. We have zucchini, there's squash. There's a couple of green beans in here. There's a pumpkin, and I do believe a couple of watermelon right down here. Some more snap peas. A brandywine tomato, and these, if I'm not mistaken, are just the ones for flowers, sweet peas. I have to double check on that one. And another brandywine with some basil, some radishes. So we start the front row out with an onion and a bunch of zinnias, a whole bunch of Roma tomatoes. We got some green peppers in a nice hot spot. There's also some alyssum planted by seed right there. Haven't decided what's going here yet. And then we have some more brandywine tomatoes and some zinnias. Quick look at the greenhouse. We got a few things going on in here. There's some more snap peas, some more tomatoes. They look like Romas. We've got some seed starts going here. We got some that are kind of stalled. Then we've got a collection of things that I've transplanted, everything from chives to hot green peppers to tomatoes. There's a tomato hanging out back there. And here we are with what do we have here? We got cilantro and I do believe, cantaloupe. Chives, some more peppers, another tomato. Let's see, green peppers, tomatoes. I believe those are big boy. That's a different variety than I've been trying to grow this year, but I had a few extra seeds, so I said, why not? Looks like we have some cilantro popping up good here. No basil up yet. And then we got a handful of cantaloupes, pumpkin. Looks like we got a squash in there too. Now here's something totally new. We've moved these around. The potato is now on the side of the greenhouse. It faces south. We've got a sunflower here and some green beans growing. The squirrels really like the sunflowers, apparently. We've got our bag of carrots. We got our bag, hopefully, of red potatoes. We didn't get much germination there. And we've got some beefsteak tomatoes. Excuse me, I misspoke earlier. They weren't big boy, they're beefsteaks. And we've got some bunching onion, and we also have some sweet basil. So to wrap up today's garden tour, everything's been nice. There's no more freezing temperatures in the forecast. Hopefully things take off quickly now that they've been put where they're going. Until the next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Have a great week, guys.